Alright boys, so I need your help. Like I need a genuine opinion. I don't want your opinion if you're just gonna be like, you know what I mean? Like if you actually think about it and come to a logical reason and option, I would love to hear it. I'm heavily debating what I do with the car's color. So obviously I wrapped the car in $200 eBay wrap and it looks horrible. Well, it's just not the greatest job. Like it does what I need it to do, which was, you know, change the color. But no, it doesn't look amazing. That being said, I still have a livery to put over it, which is gonna cover a lot of the car. You know what I mean? So my like debate is, do I take the wrap off and re-wrap the car in good wrap? Do I take the wrap off and paint the car? Or do I leave the wrap on and then, you know, the livery will go on, and you like, you know, unless you're really nitpicking it, like you won't really see it. You know what I mean? Like the livery is going to be up and down the entire car, front to back, bonnet, roof. Like there's going to be a lot of other things to look at than like a few creases. And I'm thinking that the livery might actually cover a lot of the crappy lines where like the vinyl ripped and I got really mad. So I don't know what to do. I think I could just put the livery on and it would like look fine. Because I mean, but then again, like I don't want to put the livery on and it does look shit, and then like I have to get another livery printed. Like no way. So I don't know what to do. I need you guys' help. Do I A, unwrap the car and rewrap it with better wrap? B, unwrap the car, spend a whole bunch of money and paint it? Or C, leave it how it is, put the livery on, it's just a drift car, it'll look good from afar. You know what I mean? Like I guess it doesn't really have to look good up close. Like it just has to look good in photos, you know, like from afar, and like I'll be the first to say, like it looks sick in photos. Like you wouldn't know it's a crappy wrap job in photos. And I'm thinking once the livery's on, you won't see it. But yeah, please give me your like honest, real opinion. I don't want anyone slamming me down in the comments about how shit it is. It's like I know it's shit, or like how I should have done it a different way. Like I couldn't care less. It's done, and you know, if anything, I wrapped the car by myself, like, and I'd never done it before. So I learnt a few things, so, you know, I wouldn't have it another way, being that I did learn quite a bit. But yeah, if you have a genuine opinion, let me know, and we'll get into today's video. Alrighty, so you would have seen in one of my last videos that I took the big headlights out of this car and I put them in my wide body one. And now, as much as I think that looks horrible, a bunch of you guys actually liked it. So, I mean, you know, if a bunch of you guys actually liked it, I might just run it for a while. Like, I mean, I don't hate it to the point where I need to take it off like instantaneously. So we might be running the big headlights for a while on that car, just for the fun of it. Might get some content with the big headlights, but I've brought over today my low profiles from that car, and we're going to be putting them in the drift car and seeing how it looks with the low profiles in. This motor still needs to be tuned. I've done a lot of tuning myself, but I can only do so much. It definitely needs someone else, someone else's eyes, who's actually a tuner and does it for a living. Like, as much as I can rebuild motors and do all this, like looking at spark maps and ignition tables and AFR tables, like no idea. So yeah, we're gonna chuck the small headlights in, see how she's looking, and yeah, who knows, maybe the low profiles will just stay in here. I don't know, but then again, I don't want to ruin them. I don't know, who knows. Let's put them in. Also, really quickly, how stupid does this car sound right now? I went off to have the exhaust done by my friend Xavier, and he ran out of gas mid-weld, so we couldn't finish the exhaust that day. So I'm going to pick that up this afternoon, and hopefully the car doesn't sound like that, because that just sounds horrible and I hate it. I'll be real with you, I feel really dirty putting in headlights from my show car into my drift car. do you think? Oh, I love it. I really like it. I think that looks so much better than those massive lights. That's sick. Oath. Absolutely. Damn. Unpopular opinion, but I think this looks way better than the big lights. Like miles better. Yeah, that's sick. Definitely keeping them for the Drifty Boy, for sure. Okay, so I've got two different lip options. I've got this really small GV one, which I'm absolutely not going to use, as it's genuine and worth, you know, more than $2. And then I have this big, like GV style one, which gives the car a bit of a lower look, which is what I want. So I'm just gonna put this bad boy on, I think. Hope it looks good. Right, I'm just gonna go grab a drill so I can drill some holes in it. Probably just zip tie it on. I don't think I'll screw it on. No one has time for that. My zip ties have run away. So I'm gonna be securing this lip with zip ties that are the size of my index finger. Hopefully it can hold this. I'm sure it can. I just use so many zip ties. I just go through them so quickly. So when I put front lips on, I never start at the middle. I always start at the two ends. Because if you line them up perfectly, line the two ends up, then you can just work your way into the middle. No idea whether this is lining up. It's all done. All in all, looks pretty good. I quite like it actually. Definitely going to be really hard to get on and off the jack stands now. I have to find a way to make a quick release bumper because I just cannot afford to have that not easily able to come off. Front lip is officially on. How good does that look? So the front headlights paired with the GV lip. Oh, looks awesome. I'm so stoked with how this car's coming along. You know, when body parts start going on that make it look that good, it's like, you know, just keep the wrap on. When the car's actually coming together and looking how I intended it to look, I think it looks sick. Look at it. Yeah, so cool. But that'll be probably the end of this video, guys. I hope you did enjoy this one. Let me know what you think with my debacle at the start with the wrap. Let me know what you think about the headlights and the lip as well. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace out.